Leetcode medium problem 2348, number of zero-fold subarray. This problem looks pretty straightforward. All we care about is the subarrays that are filled with zero. So this is subarray, this is subarray. The way we can find it out is we can go through this whole array. Once there's a number that is not zero, then the subarray before it will be a subarray that we are looking for. So the first task of this problem is to find out a zero subarray. The second thing we want to do is once we find a subarray, say something like this. In this subarray with 4 0, which we can consist that 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals to 10 in total subarrays that has to be added to the final result. And the third thing I want to mention is in this thing I'll be also I always want to add a illegal number, say 1 to the end of the subarray, which is not zero that we are caring about. This is how to make it easy to finish the loop.